Okay, so this was what I bought using a $10 off coupon. A friend of mine basically had 3 of these coupons. So you can only buy so much Claritin-D at one time. But what's going to happen with the, I blacked out the last 4 of my debit card. Anyway, so with the coupons about to expire, what I had to do was, I had to get somebody else to go, and there's the coupon again, and buy this one, and I had to get somebody to help buy that one. Glare off of it. Can't get the glare off of it. You know, it's seriously sad when we live in a world that when you need something for allergies legitimately, you can only buy so much at one time. And I actually have to get the 12-hour, because if you try to get the 24-hour, it has too much of the Sudafed stuff in it, the pseudoephedrine, whatever that is. The decongestant, it has too much of the pseudoephedrine sulfate. Once you reach a certain limit of that, they won't sell you anymore. But I didn't want to let 3 $10 coupons, or at least the other 2 $10 coupons, go to waste, because that's like a free box. I got 3 boxes for the price of 2. Essentially. So I do use coupons anytime and every time. And normally the boxes come with a lot of them do, not all of them, but sometimes they come with a $3 off coupon. But $10 coupons are really hard to come by. That's an excellent coupon for these, so I did not want to let them go to waste. I don't know if that's illegal or not for somebody else to buy them. As long as I'm not making meth out of it, I don't guess it really matters. What do you think? Is it illegal? Leave a comment. Did I do the right thing, or did I do something wrong? And I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, give me a thumbs up if you would have done the same thing. Give me a thumbs down if you would have let the $10 coupons expire worthless. To me, I view that as throwing 20 bucks away. I mean, seriously. Take $20 bill out of your pocket, purse, wallet, whatever you have. Take the $20 bill out and throw it in your trash can. Throw it out to the dump. If you leave me a thumbs down, that's what you basically done. So, I don't know. But these things are expensive. Some of them work better than others. Some of them don't. Anyway, let me know what you think about the video. I know it's kind of short, which somebody has told me that my videos were too long on the other channel, especially. Some of those were over an hour and stuff. But the thing is, this is just a short video to show you that I wanted to use those 3 $10 coupons. And this is how I did it.